Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before we start, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of all upcoming videos. Our running topic is probability, where we are seeing some important machine learning algorithms. Some of the topic we have already covered, so the link you will get in our description box. The topic which we will look today is multinomial naive Bayes algorithm. Okay, important algorithm for machine learning. So, which suitable for classification with discrete features. What is discrete features? Which is in a form of binary. Either we will get 0 or 1. So, the one example is word counts for text classification. What it mean? Suppose we have any text document and we want to know number of occurrence of a particular word in that document. The word may be any word, is, am, I, should, any word. So in that situation we will use multinomial naive Bayes algorithm. So it is based on multinomial distribution. Okay, what it mean? It has a generalization of binomial distribution. Okay, where there are two or more mutually outcomes of a trial. What is two mutually outcomes of a trial? Suppose in any experiment there is a fixed number of trials. In each trial there is a two or more outcomes. Okay, so all two outcomes, the both outcomes will be disjoint to each other. They are unique outcomes. Okay, every event having unique outcomes. So E1, E2, EK are the events and they are mutually exclusive events, which means their outcomes are disjoint to each other. They are not occurring in same time. Okay, with respect to probability P1, P2 up to Pk. These are the probabilities. Okay, and here E1 occurs x1 times. If E1 occurs x1 time, so in that case E2 will occur x2 times, Ek will occur xk times. Get it? Now the formula for the multinomial distribution will come out, that is P x1 x2 up to xk equal to n factorial upon x1 factorial into x2 factorial up to xk factorial. Okay, these times will multiply. The event which are occurring this number of times, they will multiply, their factorial will be multiplied here, and this is the probability P1 to the power x1, P2 power x2 up to pk to the power xk. Okay, so this is the simple formula for multinomial distribution, which we will use in any situation, in any text document where we have to find the particular counts. Okay, or any number of occurrence of any particular word, frequency of word. So wherever we will get this kind of terms, we will use this formula. Okay, multinomial distribution. Now we will see one example. A bag contains 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, 3 green balls, 4 balls randomly selected. Okay, 4 balls randomly selected with replacement. With replacement. Okay, what is the probability? 3 are red and 1 is green. Now what it has given, we have 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, 3 green balls. Okay, so the total number of balls we have 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Total number of balls is 12 balls. Now it is saying that 4 balls randomly selected. In this, 4 balls are randomly selected. So we will put this formula, that is x1, x2 up to xk. So in the place of n factorial, in place of n, what we will put here, how many balls we have selected? 4. So the total number of balls which are randomly selected is 4. So we will put n factorial in the place of n, 4 factorial. Okay, Now the balls, the events which are occurs, first is occurs 3 times. For red it has a 3 balls. For one it has a for green it has a 1 ball. So this is our x1 and this is our x2. So simply we will put here 3 factorial in the place of x1, 3 factorial into 1 factorial. Now we will find the probability P1. So here that 3 are red and 1 is green. So here how many red balls we have? 5 red balls and total number of balls is 12 balls. So the probability of selecting the red balls will be 5 by 12. And how many red balls? That is the probability to selecting 3 red balls. So we will put here 3, that is x1, into second it is saying 1 is green ball. So the probability of selecting green balls is, we have a total 3 green balls. So that is 3 by, and total number of balls is 12. So we will put here 12, 3 by 12. And how many green balls has a probability to be selected? That is 1. So here we will put 1. And then we will solve this. Okay. So whatever we will get, that is our answer. Simple. Very simple trick. Okay, now suppose here, just forget it now. Forget this formula. This is in context of multinomial naive Bayes classifier. Suppose it has a simple in the place of with, that is without replacement. So if we get this kind of question, so we will use a simple probability formula where we know that we just use a combination formula. So let's see how we will use if that was a without replacement. So simply we have a 5 red balls, so the total number of balls is 12. So if we will find the probability, so first we will make the combination. So total number of balls is 12, so that is 12C. And how many balls are selected? 4, so 12C4. And here what we will put, 3 are red, so the total number of red balls are 5. So here the combination we will make, that is 5C3 and plus the second ball which are selected is green, and that is 1. So plus how many green balls we have? That is 3 green balls we have. So we will put 3C1. So by this we simply solve if it has a question like without, but it is in context of the multinomial naive algorithm. So we will use this where we get here with replacement. Okay, you get it? Just note it down. It's a very simple and easy formula and you can apply in any count type of questions.